Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you have created a Facebook group and you have created multiple posts in your Facebook group and now you want to delete any post from the group, then this video will be helpful for you, because in this video I will show you how you can delete any post from your Facebook group very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups, and now in the top menu click on your groups. Now scroll down and here you can see your all groups will appear. Now click on the groups in which you want to delete your post. For example, I want to delete a post from the first group, so click on it. After that, scroll down and here your all post will appear. For example, I want to delete this post, so I click on three dots and then here different options will appear. Here you can delete your post permanently, so click on delete option and confirm delete. So guys, you can see our post has been deleted successfully. Guys, in this way you can delete one or multiple posts from your Facebook group very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.